Hi guys, welcome to my channel. And how to download ASUS Zenbook A14 laptop driver. So guys, open any browsers to type Google search box ASUS Zenbook A14 and then hit enter. Scroll down, first link. This is officially website asus.com laptop home. Okay, and this is service tag UX 34007. Okay, this is latest, almost few second, and if it is down arrow you can see, so click to support. Okay, support overview laptop worldly tech space review and click to support. Okay, this is almost to which model, so select this and then click to OK, and then you can check also warranty and like all. Okay, so then click to driver and utility, select your operating system. Okay, by default Windows 11 only supported. This is driver pack. Okay, and this is networking. Networking means Realtek Ethernet, LAN, connect to LAN to internet. Okay, point device ASUS touchpad driver. Okay, software utility, and you can click to show more. So wait, this is software now, and okay, then my ASUS Dolby almost driver. This is sound driver, system control interface. Okay, so guys, I show you how to install anyone. Just you want try to LAN driver, so click to download. Okay, so click this setup and then click to yes, then okay, then next I agree and term and condition, next install. So almost same method, just click to download. So only try to download driver, point touchpad driver, LAN driver, support pack and all. You can click also one click to download. I accept and get a start, and system will scan your system and require driver automatically to install your system. Okay, thank you. ASUS agenda and not activated. This application, small applications by default come to ASUS system, but this is not my system, so that's why it's come there. So if you're using ASUS system, so that will automatically detect and install.